So as I was leaving, and I've just taken a quick video of Duckworth, but then Neil, I got chatting to Neil Duckworth. Neil, it's lovely to meet you again. And we were having such an interesting conversation, and I thought, we've got to put this on video. Neil,
thank you.
So, Watch Pro,
Yeah.
Central London, and you started to tell me about this piece. Please continue.
Well, my name's Neil Duckworth. I've been in the watch business for 45 years probably. 20 of those spent running Tag Heuer in the UK.
Wow.
I love watches. I've been in watches all my life.
Wow.
And
Wow.
I've distributed Ulysse Nardin, Moser, you name it. There's a lot of brands, but Tag Heuer was my main one. But I always wanted to have my own brand. And 5 years ago, I decided to relaunch my grandfather's brand. So this is a revival brand that I have now.
Wow.
So it is my own brand, but it is a revival of the original watch made by my grandfather Frank Duckworth, and hence this one.
Okay.
This is the first watch I took from the personal collection I have of his. This is a 1939 Prestex. You'll notice it's got a cushion-shaped case. It's got some sort of distinctive fonts on the numerals. It's got a train track. And that was my first watch design. 39mm cushion case, same train track, same numerals. I did it in 4 variations.
Wow.
Blue fumé, black fumé, and a green fumé.
So is this an original?
That's an original, 1939. Yeah.
And did you say your father or your grandfather?
Grandfather.
Right, so your grandfather made this watch?
He didn't personally make it, but it was made for the family business, Preston's. And they used to have made in Switzerland, under the brand name Prestex, watches for sale in their shops. They had shops in the northwest of England.
So you've taken that to that, bringing back to, not back to life, but using the Duckworth name.
Yeah, well, I decided to use our own name as well. I wanted it to be an eponymous brand. I wanted to be quite clear that I'm the designer, I'm the owner, it's my brand, but I needed the name Prestex because that's the history. And that provides us with a history going back 3 generations to 1924. And as you can see, I've got a whole collection of original Prestex pocket watches and wrist watches here. And all my designs come from that. So take this, for example. This is a small second automatic watch with a see-through case back, sapphire glass, lovely font. If you're wondering where I got the font from,
of course,
sorry, that is the font there on the original. That's a mid-30s pocket watch from Preston's.
Wow. Can I just feel the weight of wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, so that is where I get the idea from. So all my collection will be based in part or in whole on a watch from the Prestex back catalogue.
Right.
And my most recent example and the best-selling one is this model here called the Parker. And the Parker is based on this 1935 original Prestex.
Wow.
And here is my faithful reproduction of that. And that is a quartz watch. But it's the same configuration as that. It was made in 4 different dial variations. The demand
classics.
was so big for it that I made a mechanical, because people said, we like it, but we don't want the quartz watch. Can you make a mechanical version? Which I have done exactly that. So it's a slightly larger case, but it's still got that vintage vibe about it. Just has Prestex on it, and there's a see-through back there, which is a Peugeot 7001 ETA movement. So that is...
Oh, I do find this so interesting.
Yeah, that is a great... That's been actually one of my most popular watches of recent months. This is the Parker mechanical manual winding watch at £795.
Wow.
Very much of its time. And that is the story of the brand, the revival, and why it is where it is today.
That is... thank you so much.
My pleasure, Steve.
I find that really so interesting. Thank you again.
Pleasure.
Thank you. A brief moment where the table's not full of people, I thought, let's take a look. Now, these watches are lovely, and hopefully I'm capturing this orange dial. I love it. Anyway, I'm going to go around the table, and hopefully, I think the lighting's okay, so you can see. I'm going to show you some of the pieces on exhibition here, and I love it. There's so many lovely watches to see. Now this one here, I do apologise, I don't know the model names, but that is right up my alleyway. Look at that. That is lovely. Well, it's a special edition, but that really is very nice. It's very striking. I love it. Now these this design, this watch by Duckworth, I have seen before, and I thought, you know, this design cue, this aesthetic, it is very user-friendly, and I imagine, you know, this is exactly what, for me, I would wear this actually. This is exactly how I envisage, you know, wearing a very smart watch, a classic style of watch, you know, dressed up, going somewhere nice. This is exactly the sort of watch I would go for, and this design aesthetic is lovely. Okay, and this one here. Now I know this is the California because I can see the name of it there. This is also a watch that I've noticed before by Duckworth, and it is very nice. It is very nice. It's so. I've got that, you know, child in a sweet shop feeling, because I'm wanting to, you know, try everything on, but it would literally take forever. I'd be here for so long. So I'm wanting to capture what's here available. Oh, look at this. So this is solid gold. And, oh, I do like that. Oh, isn't that nice? And look at the presentation. Very classic, very nice. And, yeah, I just, my attention there, the chronographs, how delightful are these? Look at that. That's a very, oh, and look at that dial here. I zoom in there, hopefully I've got it. There might be a little bit of glare, but I think you can capture the look and feel of these watches. Aren't they nice? And of course, the chronographs, it's one of my favourite aesthetics and design styles. Well, I do like those actually, they are super. And we have, oh, that orange chrono there. Oh, look at this one here, with the blue dial and the white sub-registers. Very, very nice. Anyway, hopefully I've just very quickly captured a Duckworth at Watch Pro in central London. There you go.